Facebook Live Gaming Video 2. Facebook Live Gaming Video 2.
What is the very first step to get started? This is the very first step to get started. Facebook.com/gaming/streamer. You want to go there and you can see the eligibility requirements necessary to get into the program. You need to have the star support option enabled. You need to be in the Level Up Gaming Creator Program to reach your full potential. At facebook.com/gaming/streamer, you will find the exact eligibility requirements you need to fulfill. They're pretty straightforward as of October 8th, 2018. First, you need to have a gaming video creator page. If you don't have a Facebook page, you can just go create a Facebook page, make it a gaming video creator page, and that fulfills that requirement. Number two, you need to meet the monetization eligibility standards, meaning you need to not have a bunch of community guidelines or existing problems on your Facebook account. Number three, you need to stream 4 hours over a period of 2 weeks. And number four, you need to have at least 2 separate streams that you did that on. And these need to all be video games for this. Those are the only 4 eligibility requirements. And I'm imagining while most people maybe have not done the game streaming, most people can easily create a gaming video page for free. And most people probably meet the monetization eligibility requirements. Although right now this is only in certain countries, I imagine Facebook is working to expand this to as many as possible. In order to stream the games, it will take sometimes a day or so to update. So if you do 8 hours of streams in one day and then it's not updating, just give it 24 or 48 hours. Just keep going to this page. And on this page is where you can get accepted into the Level Up Gaming Creator Program. That's what you need to be in. You need to be in the Level Up Gaming Creator Program, because once you're in the Level Up Gaming Creator Program, then you can get stars. Stars, every 1 star you get gives you 1 cent in payments from Facebook. Then you can monetize the videos you upload with highlights from your streams. Then you can potentially become a partner with Facebook and unlock even more monetization opportunities. Therefore, this URL is the first critical thing that you want to look at, and you want to keep checking in on this URL because there's features we'll go over that are very important for you to keep up on top of in order to reach whatever potential you expect is possible on Facebook gaming.